Hey folks, as you people know, Gorilla fans, everybody is talking about these fans online, and in Flipkart and Amazon it has great ratings. So what is so special about Gorilla fan? So before I purchased, I went for a research. It uses only 28 watts of power, where the normal conventional fan uses 75 watts. So it uses only 1/3 of the power. So especially if you use your fan for a longer time, it's a great help to save your money. And also it runs 3 times longer in inverter. So approximately they actually tells us that we can save almost 2,000 rupees per year. So let's see what exactly is in the fan. I actually bought the model Renaissance because it looked actually prettier than the other models. So the fan, okay, so here is the actual machine of the fan. So I purchased the pearl white because I thought the white will have a good looks in my room. Pearl white. It also has a LED in it. If you notice, I can see the old coil in it, and they actually say it's a LED model, but I'm not able to see where exactly this LED is located. But let me check what exactly this fan actually has. Okay, the normal tools. It also has a remote, power on off, LED, speed, boost. It also has a timer and sleep mode, and 2 batteries. And they actually have more. I think it should be screws or something. It's in the box. Let's see. Okay, it's actually nut and bolt. As it is. So these are nuts and bolts. And let's see how the wings looks like. It's a 1200 mm fan. The wings looks beautiful, light, and I'm not so happy with the quality of the material which is used, because even the normal 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees of Orion and Crompton looks better in quality than this. Let's go on and install this and see how exactly it performs. We have just installed it, and it looks better here than actually we saw in the box. So now let's go and see how exactly it performs, whether it keeps the promise of good hair. So we're gonna turn it on. Let's see how it performs. Okay, so now it's turning on, and it's going good. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the LED to see how the light exactly works. Wow, the light looks cute, and the airflow, trust me, it's drastic. It's amazing. Okay, so we have a boost option here. You see, now it's boosting up. Wow, the airflow is tremendous, because I'm actually at the corner of this room, but still I can feel the airflow. Earlier we had a traditional fan which was not as good as this one. This one, trust me, it looks better here, and also the airflow, I guarantee you this is one of the best fan when it comes to the airflow. And also when I actually reduce the speed, you can see that the LED actually goes down 1 number. And one thing is here, the top speed is really good, but when you reduce it, it goes really slow. For example, this is 5. When I go to 4, it actually cuts off the speed by half. So that seems to be one issue. And LED lights looks cool. So let me turn off the light and see how exactly it luminous. Focus பண்றா. Okay, so this is fan actually it's a pretty good buy at this price because this particular room will use the fan 24/7. If I trust their calculation, definitely I'm gonna get this fan free at least in the next 12 to 15 months. Definitely something which we can try on, especially if you're gonna use your fan for longer time, for more than 12 hours per day. Go for it because it saves a lot of electricity, and actually within a year or two the fan will become free. And also it gives you 2 plus 1 year of warranty. If you register it online, it also gives you 3 years of warranty coverage. So 3 years you don't have to worry about anything. And I bought this for a price 3,800 rupees in Amazon, and you can also check for more offers, and I have given the links to purchase this particular model in my description. And also you have a cheaper models from the same Gorilla brand, starts from 2,800 rupees. For sure it's a must buy. I will give it 4.5 stars for sure. And please subscribe for our channel to get more reviews videos on English and Malayalam.